These 3 legitimate apps can help you earn over $150 daily, quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in and explore how they work. The first app is My Free App, accessible at myfreeapp.io. This platform allows you to earn money by playing games, testing apps, completing tasks, and winning prizes. What makes it unique? You can earn up to $120 for each app or game you install and complete. Even better, the average time to claim your first reward is just 1 hour. The app supports various payment methods like PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Spotify, and more. Plus, you can withdraw your first reward after earning just $1. To get started, simply sign up, choose an app or game from the list, read the task description, and complete it. Once done, the money is credited to your account, ready to redeem. Keep in mind, however, that this app is only available in certain top-tier countries at the moment. If My Free App isn't accessible in your location, the second option is Ipsos iSay, a popular survey app available in over 70 countries, including India and the United States. This app pays you for taking surveys, making it a flexible option for anyone around the globe. You can redeem your earnings via PayPal, Visa debit cards, or gift cards from Amazon, Starbucks, and more, depending on what's available in your region. To start, sign up with your email and phone number, complete a simple profile questionnaire, and you'll receive surveys tailored to you. The app is available for both Android and iOS, so you can earn on the go. While finding surveys can occasionally be a bit tricky, patience pays off as there are plenty of earning opportunities. For consistent tasks and earning options, the third app is Free Cash. This platform offers a variety of ways to make money, including completing surveys, testing apps, and playing games. Users worldwide have shared success stories, with many earning over $150 through this app alone. After signing up, browse through the available tasks, complete them, and watch your account balance grow. Free Cash makes it easy to withdraw your earnings through PayPal or other popular methods, ensuring a seamless payout experience. Finally, let's talk about the Coin Hexa app, a fun way to earn money by playing games. When you open the app, you'll find engaging puzzles where you match and combine hexagons of the same color to clear levels. Completing levels earns you coins, which can later be redeemed for cash. The app also offers boosters to help tackle more challenging levels, and these can be activated by watching short ads. For every 10 million coins you earn, you can withdraw $5 using PayPal, Binance, or other supported platforms. The app is easy to use and provides a straightforward way to earn money while enjoying a casual game. That's it for today's list of apps that pay you to use them. Test these out and share your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more ways to earn online.